Let's talk technicals, and specifically a very common, very repeatable pattern that you in fact can find on a very, very rapid basis, guys, on a daily basis. We're talking double tops and we're talking double bottoms today. In a market where volatility is through the roof, we have to understand what are meaningful patterns on the chart in front of you. Let's talk about double tops and double bottoms.
Yeah, and look, the thing about a double top or a double bottom, it doesn't really matter. They're basically the same concept, is that you can find something like this on any time frame you want. Now, maybe the most popular for a lot of people, whether you're swinging or maybe just looking at zooming out, you'll look on a daily chart and sort of find them out here. And okay, well, this would be an idea of a double top on GameStop at 250. That's not the one I want to talk about here. What I want to talk about is what I think is a little bit more significant of one that just happened on GameStop. And that's when you've already run away, made a gigantic range, 250 down to 80. You had multi-day consolidation off of this bottom and then ran like a banshee to 200. It didn't bounce 5% or 10% off this level. This bounced a significant amount off of this level. And now you're in the midst of attempting to make a double bottom. Now, you could argue that, okay, you already made the double bottom here today, and I'll show you on the lower time frame why that can be true, but you could also have a consolidation bottom like this one and look for a retracement maybe back to the second level, and that would be about $30 to $40. But when you're looking at something on that higher time frame and then looking to try to make the execution on the actual day, well, what happens at that 80 low? And what you get here is you get a false breakdown through that resistance that doesn't hold through, and it does so on volume. So the volume at the open, taking it through that level, was bigger than anything you saw in the last 3 days as it's attempting to break that double bottom. You then come back to the upside on volume and break back out. Now, a simple trade that I think you could easily put on. I mean, I didn't go long. I shorted the top, but you could easily just have like an 83 or 84 break. Your stop goes into that bottom on the daily, and then you're taking a breakout. Now, obviously, it has a chance to now consolidate for a couple of days like it did last time, but the significance isn't just that it made this double bottom. It's the manner in which it ran away from it last time. Like, it didn't just make a minor bounce, and that's what you want to be looking for, a significant level. And a significant level has a lot of volume. When it breaks away from it, that's the biggest volume spike was on that bottom the first time, and then it also has a big move off of that double bottom.
All right. Yeah, good one. I'm going to do double top, and I'm going to do a little bit of a lesser time frame. We're going to talk about maybe more just for scalping and for day trading, as that's pretty much what I do here. I like to use those tops as well, investing, swinging, things like that. Some of those daily charts, bottoms and tops are absolutely fantastic. But right here, Starbucks, and I'm going to give this as an example here because it's absolutely perfect for numerous reasons. So maybe I can zoom this in just a little bit better here. So here it is right here. We're talking about a double top. Well, I mean, here we go. Starbucks yesterday, bottom 70, right? Not only was the bottom 70, but we top 70 there, and then we top 70 right there again. So this is what you call a double top. So the market opens up, and again, I like to play, if you're going to scalp, and we're going to talk about a 3-minute chart, 1-minute chart, whatever you want. If you're going to play tops and bottoms and you're day trading, don't really look at the pre-market is my suggestion. I would wait until the market opens up, because if you're playing tops and bottoms in the pre-market, you're not playing with real volume. There's so many different opportunities that can exist in the pre-market. Wait for the market to open so that you know you're right. Both times here, and I think you guys can see this. Maybe I can zoom in just a little bit more. Yeah, that's probably good right there. See these? These are wick tops. Now, they happen everywhere, but that's just another sign for me that these are tops, where it gets exhausted. The only problem is the volume's not here on it, so it's not like an absolutely fantastic example for the wick top. But if you're looking at at the double top example that we're giving you, you run into 70, which was the bottom yesterday. Then it ticks 7. Close enough. 69.90 there, then drops. 69.90 there, then drops. So that's your double top. So you're trying to play off there. If it comes up, and again, you don't know it's a double top until it actually makes a top. So if you're going to trade this, then what you would do is you see the top here running into that level. Then you can just short it again off of that top, and if we break, especially when it's at a key dollar value like that 70, nothing wrong. You're not going to get it right, whether or not you short right here, 69.75, or you wait for the ultimate top of 69.90. Either way, your out is clearly defined at 70. And remember, we're talking about intraday day trading now. So we're not like holding $1 against us or anything significant. We're finding tops, we're matching them with intraday highs as well. So there's one top, there's two tops, and that's it, right? So you get the one top, the second top, and then there's the move back down. So you take the risk here, shorting it against 70 and against that top, hoping that you're the one involved in a double top. There's the screen back down in. Almost triple top there, but we'll respect that. The double top on Starbucks today.
With any technical pattern, make sure you do your homework. Back test, guys. If anything, it's a great way to confirm maybe a prior idea or prior catalyst directional move that you had in a financial instrument that you are looking at. Double tops and double bottoms for you today.